I'll stop here for a second. Think about this. Where do our beliefs really come from? Right? Most people probably know that it really starts in our childhood. Your beliefs also not only come from whomever raised you, but beliefs also come from your environment, right? The television, from your teachers, right? Your professors, right? This is how you form all of the beliefs. So then when you go back to what beliefs do I really have about work? If you were raised by a specific generation, that might be where you start. This is this is how your beliefs were formed based on how that particular generation views work. And for a lot of us, the generation that we were raised by says that you find a good job and you don't leave. Put a comment in the chat, and this is how, this is the belief that you have about work, right? Let me know. I'm always interested in this, right? Because really, when you think back, it's like, okay, if my mom, if my grandmother, the way their beliefs that they had about work, or not even what they told you, but what you saw them do when it came to work, formed your belief about work, right? So if they found a job, stayed, even though they were tired all the time, even though they worked from sun up to sundown and made little money, right? Even though they worked and they never saw their families, their behavior shows you that this is what you do, even though it's challenging, even though it's hard on you, even though you don't get to see your family, you still work, right? Even though you don't like the job, even though you are not satisfied, you found a good job, you stay no matter what.